Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. On this video we're going to be going over banners, boxes, and lines. So to start off we're going to talk about banners, and what a banner is basically this big bluish and greenish box over here. You can add one, go into the add elements tab and click on banner. Over here we have a huge variety of banners that we already have. You guys can check it out over here. I'm just going to add a classic banner. Once I click on it, it's automatically going to show on my page. Over here, we can edit its appearance, changing how it looks. The images, if we want to add an image on it, you can change the colors. You can do a gradient color also. I already have one set up over here, for example, like this one. If I click on it, it will change the color to a gradient color. You can go ahead and close this, and you can also enable your shadows. If I click on it, you can see the shadow pop up over here. Once you guys customize your style, you can close this. Go to the next one where it's edit video. Over here you could upload a video to the background. You can do textures, for example, like this one. I'm just going to confirm so you guys can see a bunch of boxes are going to show. I don't want that right now though, so I'm just going to put it back. And you can also group hover. This option over here is only if you want your banner to change once someone is hovering it. For example, I already have this one over here. If someone hovers it, the banner turns white. Let me just confirm and go on your preview so you guys can see it. The banner will slowly turn white once someone hovers it. Let's go back to edit and put it back because we don't want that. Once you guys set up your banner, you can go ahead and start putting boxes and lines on your website. For this, we're going to go over here and click on boxes and lines. Here we have a huge list of boxes, dynamic boxes, personalized boxes, horizontal lines, vertical lines, and a box with a tab. For now, we're just going to go to simple boxes and add a regular blue box. We're going to go ahead and click on edit. You can edit its appearance, how it looks, if you want it to look like this. You can edit the colors, for example, the inner background, if you want to add an image or just change the color, or also do a gradient center. You can edit its border, how you want the border to look like. You can also round the borders, and you can enable your shadows. Next up, you can edit the animation for your box. For example, if you want it to bounce, it's going to bounce like that once someone views it. And you can also edit when this occurs. For example, when you click on the element, so when someone clicks on the box will bounce. I'm just going to leave it at none right now. Click on confirm. And a box could be used for you to put other elements inside the box. For example, a text. You can write like that and make it fit. You can also add a button if you would like. For example, like this. And you can add a button over here. And next up, guys, we're also going to talk about lines. If you guys want to add a line to your page, you can go over here where the boxes are at. Choose what kind of line you want to put. Click on it, and once you click on it, you can edit it like so. If, for example, I wanted to divide two other things, I would do like this. And as always, you can also edit its appearance, its animation, just like boxes and just like banners. This is how you set up your banners, boxes, and lines. Thank you for watching and have a great day.